Do you ever wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? Many seniors tell me they watch what they eat, take their medicines on time, and try to stay active during the day, yet their kidneys still struggle at night. You may notice swollen ankles, foamy urine, high blood pressure, or restless sleep. It feels frustrating when your body does not heal, even though you are trying your best. The truth is, your nighttime habits matter more than you realize. Kidneys are delicate filters, and once you cross 60, they work harder to remove waste while you rest. Small mistakes at night can quietly overload them, block healing, and make tomorrow's fatigue even worse. But here's the good news. By avoiding just a few harmful night habits, you give your kidneys the calm environment they need to recover and keep you healthy. In today's video, we will uncover 3 common night habits that silently block kidney healing. These are simple mistakes many seniors make without knowing. Stay with me until the very end, because even small changes tonight can bring you more energy tomorrow. Before we dive in, we've also uploaded some helpful kidney health guides on our website. We have good news for you. We've covered complete senior-friendly diet plans for this on thevitatrack.com. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. 3. Eating salty or heavy dinners late at night. Many seniors enjoy a comforting dinner in the evening, but what feels comforting to your taste buds may be very stressful for your kidneys. When you eat salty or heavy meals right before bed, your kidneys are forced to work overtime through the night. Sodium holds on to extra water, making your kidneys filter harder. This can leave you waking up with swollen ankles, puffy eyes, or that constant feeling of heaviness in your body. Heavy meals rich in fat or processed foods can also raise your blood pressure and stop your kidneys from getting the rest they need. Imagine your kidneys as a filter that should be rinsing gently while you sleep. Instead, salt and heaviness clog that filter, forcing it to keep grinding all night long. To protect your kidneys, aim to have your last meal at least 3 hours before bed. Choose lighter options such as steamed vegetables, clear soups, or a small portion of lean protein. Herbs and gentle seasonings are kinder than salty sauces. This small shift allows your kidneys to slow down overnight, repair tissues, and prepare you for better energy in the morning. 2. Skipping water before bedtime or drinking too much at once. Hydration is tricky at night, and many seniors get it wrong without knowing. Some avoid water completely because they do not want to wake up for bathroom trips. Others drink a large glass right before lying down, which overloads the kidneys and bladder. Both habits silently block kidney healing. When you skip water completely, your blood becomes thicker overnight. Your kidneys, already delicate, must work harder to filter waste from this concentrated blood. This increases your risk of toxins building up and raises your blood pressure the next morning. On the other hand, flooding your system with too much water all at once before sleep keeps your kidneys busy all night long, disrupting their chance to rest and repair. The healthy balance is small, gentle hydration. Take a half glass of room temperature water an hour before bed. This gives your kidneys enough fluid to keep filters moving, but not so much that it disrupts their rhythm. You will notice less morning dryness in your mouth, steadier blood pressure, and calmer kidney function. Over time, this small habit builds a protective cushion for your kidneys and helps them heal naturally while you rest. 1. Staying up late with stress or screen time. Many seniors think that lying in bed with the television on, scrolling on a phone, or worrying about the day is harmless. But late nights filled with stress or screen light may be the biggest reason your kidneys do not heal. When you stay up late, your body's natural rhythm shifts. Cortisol, the stress hormone, stays high, and this raises blood pressure. High blood pressure at night forces your kidneys to filter harder instead of resting. Screen light also confuses your body, blocking melatonin, the hormone that signals your body to sleep and repair. Without deep sleep, your kidneys cannot heal tiny tissue damage or balance your fluids. Over time, this creates silent strain that shows up as fatigue, swelling, or unstable blood sugar. To help your kidneys, build a calming bedtime routine. Switch off bright screens at least an hour before sleep. Replace them with soothing habits like gentle stretching, light reading, or soft music. Keep your room cool and dark. By giving your body restful sleep, you lower blood pressure, calm stress, and allow your kidneys the deep healing they need. This simple change may be the most powerful gift you give your kidneys tonight. Want extra support? Join our YouTube membership for early videos, targeted diet plans, and exclusive senior health guides. Ending 180 words. As you can see, protecting your kidneys at night does not require big changes, only gentle adjustments. Avoiding salty or heavy dinners, balancing your evening water, and creating a calm, screen-free bedtime can make a world of difference. These are small, simple steps, yet they allow your kidneys to rest and heal in the way they were designed to. The truth is, your body wants to recover. Your kidneys are hardworking filters, and when you treat them kindly, they respond with better energy, steadier blood pressure, and greater comfort in daily life. Never underestimate the power of small choices. To stay on a healthy routine and never miss future guidance, check the link in the description and pinned comment. You'll find the Vitatrack.com with complete diet plans and our YouTube membership where thousands of seniors feel more supported every day. Always remember to consult your doctor before making changes to your meals, hydration, or bedtime routine. With simple, steady care, your kidneys can continue protecting you for years to come. Tonight, choose rest, calm, and healing.